planner friends. Thank you for joining me for this week's plan with me. There are a couple of interesting holidays that are happening this week, and while I was shopping for my stickers for this week, I kept some of these in mind. So one of them is on the 15th, on Tuesday. It's going to be National Lobster Day. So I thought that one would be kind of cute, but unfortunately I didn't find too many lobster themed stickers, or I did, but not very cute ones. And so the other ones that I was thinking of is International Sushi Day, and this is also one of my friend's birthdays. So I always text her happy International Sushi birthday. And the other one was International Picnic Day. So I found stickers for both of those, and I actually found both of them at Daiso. So I thought this one would be kind of picnicky. It's not super picnicky, but I think it would work well. And I also found sushi flake stickers. Again, these are from Daiso. So I think I'm actually going to be using the sushi stickers. And the reason for that is because there's only one International Sushi Day in the year. So there's really no other time that I would be able to use these. Whereas the ones for the picnic, I could probably find some other week to use those, or maybe use them as part of a different spread. So we're going to go ahead and use these. You can see on the back, there's a whole bunch of fun sushi stickers. Take them out so we can look at them a little bit closer. And another thing that I really like about the sticker flakes is that they are individual stickers, so I can actually place them on my paper and I can figure out where exactly I want them to go. If it's a sticker like in a sticker book or like in this sticker pack, I can just throw them all over the page and see where they land. So let's take some of these out. I do have a pretty busy week coming up. I'm actually going to be teaching 4 days in a row. And so I know my voice is already going out. It sounds a little funky. But by the by the end of Friday, I'm kind of expecting that my voice is probably going to be gone by then. Because I talk for 10 hours every day, sometimes longer, depending on if the students want to stay after or not. So, oh, these are so cute. This is like one of my favorite kinds of sushi. It's where the fish is on top of the little piece of rice. I do like sushi rolls too. Let's stick some of those guys down. There's little fishies. Might throw a couple of those around somewhere. I want to put one of everything on the page, just so I know what they look like. And then if I need any more, I can grab them over from the side where I've got them on. I don't know what this one is. Some sort of white fish. Ooh, this one looks so good. I like these little fish eggs. Wow, there's actually a lot more variety than I originally anticipated. So that's kind of cool. My grandma loves these, the little tiny sushi rolls. Actually, she really likes the California rolls. Those are her favorite. So whenever I go and visit her and my mom, I usually try and bring something for lunch, and she really likes sushi, which is really cool because I wouldn't have expected my grandma to enjoy sushi, but she really does. This is that little egg one. Lots and lots of variety here. Lots of options to choose from. Ooh, this looks refreshing. It's got a little mint leaf in there. And all of these stickers have gold foil. I know it's kind of hard to see on camera. I am filming this late, so it's already dark outside. So I have to have my lights on, and it makes the lighting a little bit weird. These are all I already have on there. And this is one of my favorites, tuna. Gotta stick that on there somewhere. And the other thing that I did was I printed out some black boxes and I'm gonna cut these out. So I cut some of them already and I figured out that the lines I made were a little too thin. So what I did was I went in with marker. Oops, that line is crooked. Just notice that. Maybe I'll cover that one up with a sticker. So I went over it with just a regular black marker to make the boxes just a little bit thicker so that it looks a little bit better, because when I cut it, some of these lines, because they're so thin, they actually got cut off. I tried to cut it in the middle. I'm gonna have to work on this a little bit more and figure out how to make the lines thicker in the Excel document that I made them in. Or maybe I'm just gonna have to go with a Word document, we'll see. So since I have a whole lot of stuff going on Tuesday through Friday, it's actually not a whole lot of stuff. I don't want to say that, but I am going to be working those days. So I'm probably not going to get around to doing too much else. So I can really put a lot of stuff on those days because the only thing I'm going to write in there is that I have work. I typically don't have time to do anything else on those days just because that takes up like a good chunk of my day. And by the end, I am so tired, I just don't have the energy to do anything. So let's get into it. I'm going to fast forward the rest of the video and let's see how this turns out. Alright, planner friends, this is it. This is the finished product. I wanted to try and use as many stickers as I possibly could, but look at this. Look at how many stickers I still have left. I don't know when I'm going to be using them. Maybe I'm going to have to save them for next year because International Sushi Day only comes around once a year and it is on June 18th. I hope you guys all get to enjoy and celebrate the daily holidays. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video.